Yes, uh, I'm trying to demonstrate the anesthesia machine. The anesthesia machine is Prima 450/320. This is an advanced machine. Uh, it has two systems, semi-closed system and closed system. And this is a trolley mounted ventilator, and this is the vaporizer. We use halothane and isoflurane here. So here is the bar of isoflurane, and we fill it from here, and it will show on this bar. You can see it is very prominent. So we have three columns of air, nitrous oxide, oxygen. Oxygen is the color of standard color of oxygen is white, and the standard color for nitrous oxide is blue, and air can be changed. It can be black, it can be red, it can be white, it can be any color. But the standard for oxygen is white, and for nitrous oxide is blue. We have 5 meter here. It demonstrated the bar should be 4. It should be the meter, the needle should be at the level of 4. If it is at the level of 4, it means you provide oxygen up to the mark. It is not below 4, it will not above 4. It should be 4. And nitrous oxide accordingly. The ratio between nitrous oxide and oxygen to provide oxygen to the patient should be 70-30. You know, in air, it's 21% oxygen is already in room temperature, room air. And so if we give nitrous oxide and oxygen at the same time, then it should be 70-30. 70-30, not the oxygen not less than 30%. Okay, so we have the system here. There are two systems. One is semi-closed, and the other one is closed circuit. Closed circuit. When I use closed circuit, we use soda lime here, and the meter should be not more than one, both nitrous oxide and oxygen. So we save oxygen and nitrous oxide by using closed circuit. And when we use semi-closed circuit, then no need to use soda lime. But the oxygen and nitrous oxide should be increases up to the 6 liter per minute and 7 liter or 4 liter per minute, or 50-50. Nitrous oxide 50%, oxygen 50%. It's up to it depends upon the anesthetist. Okay, and we have to standby. This one is standby cylinder, which is present on the back side. Okay, and this is our anesthesia system, and this is, we call is Bain circuit. This circuit is Bain circuit. Okay, Bain circuit. This is the valve. This is bag. This is the bag, and this is the valve. Palp up, or you can open it full or minimum from 70, minimum 70, 50. It depends upon, and you can control it by the using of circuit.